ready. I've got the thumbs up. Trevor's trying to get everybody with the hell round, but never mind about that. We've got the thumbs up from the electricians. Give me that here now, Trevor now. Sound the bell. And now people from Normanton, can you count backwards from 5? I need you to count backwards from 5. Can you do it? Can you really do it? Come on! We need you to hear you. Big year. Come on! That's in there. At the back. With a 5. 4, 3, 2, and 1! Merry Christmas, Normanton!
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing.
Dancing's yours there. Fantastic turtle. That was fantastic, and the lights were fantastic in Normanton. Can we be the